as a success experience of Aman Kumar. You are studying in which college?
Sir, I'm studying in GIMS Kalkaji, Jagannath International Management School.
What is the degree you are doing now?
Sir, I'm doing Bachelor of Commerce Honors.
Oh, that means you have been taken in as a clerk in Federal Bank. Congratulations.
Yes, sir.
Congratulations.
Yes, sir.
Very happy. How many people have been selected from your college?
Sir, from my college, there were 4 candidates, and I have just got to know out of 3, I got selected, but rest of the 2 didn't get selected. One I have to ask.
Oh, excellent. No problem. Good. Now, when was your interview, Aman Kumar?
Sir, my interview was on 29th of April.
29th of April in Delhi.
Yes, sir.
How many people were there in the interview board?
There were 2 gentlemen, and they were frank and jovial, and they asked me several questions. Sir, can I tell all the questions?
No, I will ask you. Now,
Okay,
please
okay,
tell
yeah.
me, were they from North India or from South India?
Sir, they both were from North India only.
Acha, they were talking
Yes.
always English or they were using Hindi also?
Sir, they were talking in English only.
Very good. Now, can you tell me how long did the interview take place?
Sir, it was about 10 to 15 minutes.
Can you tell us what are the questions they asked you? And after this, you have to send the questions to me in our WhatsApp.
Yeah, sure, sir, sure.
Yeah, please tell me what are the, you narrate your 15 minutes interview process in about 5 minutes. Bataiye.
Yes, sir. Sir, when I entered the room, I greeted them, and
how did you greet them?
So by good morning, sirs. I use sirs because you have told me that for greeting both the gentlemen, you can use sirs. So I greeted them, good morning, sirs, and they had already my CV. So they offered me the seat. So then on the next moment, sir, they didn't ask me to tell me about yourself. They simply asked that, are you comfortable? So I said, yes, sir. After that, they asked me, might be possible that you would have given interview earlier from this. So I said, no, sir. There were few campus opportunities which came into our campus, and Federal Bank was the one who came into our campus, and I literally prepared for it. I prepared for my aptitude test, then GD, and I have prepared for my personal interview also. So they didn't ask me to introduce myself. They just frankly asked me that how the thing is going on and all.
That means
then the next,
how the thing is going on means how
yes, sir. Are you feeling nervous or are you okay?
Acha. Or is it like our Punjabi where they will ask ki hal chal? Something.
Yeah, sir.
Kya hal chal?
Right.
Yeah, boliye.
Right, sir. Right. Sir, then the next question they asked me, what do you know about Federal Bank? Then, sir, I told about Federal Bank, and I said all the data and the CEO and the name of the chairperson I included in the Federal Bank. And after that, they asked me, do you know the roles and responsibilities of a clerk? So I answered that also.
Please tell. Then what did you say there?
Sir, they asked me, do you know the roles and responsibilities of a clerk?
Tell.
Then
you
sir,
tell.
I should tell.
Yeah, you tell. Okay. What is the role you told?
Yes, sir. So I said a clerk has to manage the day-to-day activities in the bank, which is related to depositing of cash, withdrawal of cash, and also if the customer is having any problem with the complication in KYC, a clerk is responsible to solve that. A clerk is also responsible to issue debit cards, credit cards, and also issue demand drafts. A clerk is also responsible for cross-selling of the banking products like mutual funds and insurance policies.
1 minute, wait, 1 minute, wait, karo. Vinish, could you understand that you omitted this point when you were telling about
yes, sir.
Yeah, yes. So this is how you have to go. Now continue, cross-selling. Continue our Aman
Yes,
Kumar.
sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Then I added one more point. That was clerk is also responsible for solving the queries of the customers. And in the conclusion statement, I said that in total, we have to increase the business. We have to focus on the growth of the business of the bank.
A point, Rajeshwar and Vinish, remember this. You should normally conclude with a positive note telling that you are interested in doing more of business for the bank. रेगुलर क्लर्क को होलो को जरूरत नहीं है. आजकल का आदमी लोग, आप लोग हंस के बात करना है, सबसे प्यार करना है, सबसे एम्फसाइज करके बिजनेस को कैनवस करना है. That is what they expect. Come on, continue, Aman. Next, what are the other questions?
Right, sir. And then they asked me, what's the share price of Federal Bank? Then I said, sir, honestly speaking, I read about the Federal Bank share price in morning only. The interview date, I learned about Federal Bank share price on the morning of the interview schedule.
What was the price at that time?
Sir, at that time, it was 134.
No, but here it is giving some higher price today.
No,
How? Today? No, I am saying. Oh, I think it is giving some. I think it is telling about USA. Sorry.
Yes,
in
yes,
India, Federal Bank share price. It is telling so big amount, $249. Yeah, 136 rupees today.
Yes, sir.
Vinish,
it has already reached the target.
If you are not reading newspaper year after, at least you remember, sir told me on Tuesday 136 rupees. Ye yaad rakho. And today it has gone up by 1 rupee 40 paise. Now continue, Aman.
Okay, sir. So I told them that I know about the Federal Bank share price that was 134. And after that, I also included that Federal Bank is a price target of 136.5. And frankly speaking, sir, I read it very generally that it has a target price of 136.5. So I said that also. Then they asked me that, have you involved in any of the fights? So because it was mentioned in my CV that I am leading one of the society in my college. So they asked me, have you involved in any of the fights? So I said, no, sir, I'm very calm and polite person. Right. And next thing they asked me, tell me any situation where your team didn't agree with your decision and how you have convinced them.
Very tough question. Very tough question.
So right, sir. Right, sir. So I had to think of very, very quick when thinking about this situation. So what I told to this, I said that recently we had conducted one event, and in that event, I suggested all my team members that we can bring some sponsorship to our event, and it will be so impactful to our event because we can make it more big and more impactful. And my team members were not agreeing to my decision just because they told me that this will take a lot of time and will not get in return. They'll not get anything in return. So I convinced them that how we can bring an impact to our events if we can bring sponsorship. Right, sir? So I told about this situation and
convinced them.
And I I also included one more point that was I asked each and every person's opinions, and after that only I made a decision, and majority of them agreed to bring sponsorship. But that's how I convinced them.
Good, very good. Continue.
Right, sir. So the next question they asked me, why do we select you in Federal Bank? So, sir, I told them as per the roles and responsibility which is mentioned in the job description, I believe that I have gained all the skills and expertise to this particular field. I have great leadership skills, communication skills, and people management skills too. And I am a good team player. and this is how it makes me a perfect candidate to be a clerk for this position.
Good.
Right, sir? Yeah, and sir, then they asked me, do you know that who governs all these commercial banks? Then I said that, yes, sir, I know. It's the Reserve Bank of India. The next question they asked me, do you know that who make the policies of all the stocks, like now NSE and BSE? So I said, yes, sir, I know. It's SEBI. And I also included the chairperson of SEBI. She was Madhubai Puribuch.
Madhabi Puri.
Right, sir? And
Madhabi Puri.
yes, sir.
She was
right,
nice. She is.
Yes, sir, she is. Yeah, she is. Right. And after that, sir, they also asked me this question, that where do you see yourself in the next 5 years?
Did you say?
So I told them that I see myself as a branch manager in the Federal Bank in the next 5 years. So they were like,
Vinish Rajeshwari, remember, you should tell confidently like that. I see myself as a manager. Yeah, continue.
Yes, sir. And they were like, are you sure you want to become branch manager? Like, yes, sir, I believe in all of my capabilities that I would be the perfect candidate for this position. And so there were two persons. So one was very frank and very jovial, but the other person was very serious. So he asked me about some of the questions related to trading.
That is share trading.
Yeah. So I told him, so recently I have explored one of my subjects when I was in 5th semester. I explored my subject, which was investment management, and I learned about stocks. And recently I have opened my demat account and I have invested in some of the stocks. They didn't ask me that which of the stocks you have invested. So that interviewer asked me that, do you know about trading, and where you have learned the trading? So I answered that, sorry, sir, I
don't know. Aman, internet cut ho gaya. Hello, Vinish, are you able to hear me?
Sir, you are audible, but Aman Kumar is not audible.
Aman Kumar is not audible. Aman का नंबर क्या है? Aman का number, just a minute. If he comes, he will talk. This boy from the beginning has been having a flair for communicating very nicely. Aman Kumar. I think his internet has got cut. Aman Kumar. It's okay. Doesn't matter. No problem. So boys, Vinish, I wanted him to speak so that you know how the questions are put, and you must be in a position to answer at short notice some strange questions also. Rajeshwari, could you follow?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I think you can manage, but thoda aur bhi confidence chahiye. You must speak boldly.
Yes, sir. Presently,
Yeah. देखो
I haven't prepared yet, sir.
देखो वो
I will
लड़का
do it.
कितना अच्छा से, कितना बोल्ड से बात करते हैं. अमन कुमार.
हेलो.
अमन कुमार.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
आपने कब ज्वाइन किया हम लोग का ग्रुप में?
Sir, I guess 5 days earlier.
Only 5 days earlier. देखो, but
Yes,
he has improved a lot, very nicely. What is your cell phone number? First 5 numbers.
Sir, 9393102.
Tell me. 93102.
102.
मिल गया. Aman Kumar. Acha, here is a guy, who sent his CV also to me before my conducting interview.
Right, sir.
Yeah. And you joined our group on not 4 days, Baba. You joined on 20th April.
No, sir. On 20th, it was my interview.
No. 20 तारीख में आपने ज्वाइन किया था.
Right.
मेरा ग्रुप में. And
right, sir, right.
and I think you were with us for 2-3 days, 4 days with us.
Right.
Then you had mock on 24th at 7 o'clock.
20, right.
24th, yeah, very nice. Thank you. Now, any other points you would like to tell our friends Aman Kumar for motivating our
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell.
I want to add 2 things for the students who are going for the federal bank interview. As you told me, and I also told you this thing, that they aren't looking for anything specific to the student, like the student should be so great in financial news. They are looking that how the student is, whether the student is confident or whether the candidate is fit for the role or not. So confidence is the first factor they're looking into, and communication also, that how candidate is communicating to the interviewers.
So mainly communication, nothing else.
Yes, sir. Communication is the key to success.
Mainly communication. That doesn't mean, supposing they ask you what is the share price of Federal Bank, you should not say 20 rupees. Then, then you will cut a sorry figure. So you must know some facts, but you must be able to talk confidently.
And so one more thing, when I gave my first mock, if you remember, you have told me that 99% you are going to get selected. Right?
Oh, I told you. Very good. Very good.
Sir. You said me that 99% you are going to get selected. And on the second mock, you said that Aman, you need to improve your commerce questions. You have told me that you should learn about some of the terms which is related to commerce, like balance sheet, trial balance, all of that. Right. And said I have gone through that also. So it was all about practice and practice only.
Practice. Practice is what is more important. And your first mock was on which date?
The 24th.
24, 25 April, Karnataka Bank, Federal Bank, PO success, and PO success, Andhra candidate, Federal Bank clerk mark, good one. I have posted like that. I have posted. 1 minute. Wait.
He's into government service. He works in MCD as a multitasking staff. My mother, she's a homemaker, and I have one elder brother. He's pursuing Masters of Business Administration from Banarsi Chandiwala Institute. That's all about me. Thank you, sir.
Good. What did you say about your father?
Sir, he works in MCD, Municipal Corporation of Delhi, as a multitasking staff.
Municipal Corporation. Who is the mayor of Municipal Corporation of Delhi?
Sir, I actually forgot the first time. It's something Oberoi.
1 minute. Let me check it up.
Yes, sir, Shelly Oberoi. Yeah, I remember.
India
Dr.
Municipal Corporation.
Or money to another person, and we have to write beneficiary account number, like
Vinesh,
through net banking.
Vinesh and Rajeshwari, please watch it afterwards.
Okay, sir, sure.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, sure. Sir, actually, it's stand there.
Thoda stand up karo. Stand up.
Stand up, sir, here.
Stand up. In your own place, stand up. I want to see you fully. Good. God bless you. Jarur.
Thank you so much, sir.
But if I am the selector, I will select you. And if Federal Bank also will select you. But interview 60% luck, 40% merit.
40% merit. Yeah.
So भगवान का हाथ में है, भगवान को प्रार्थना कर लो. आपको फेवरेट गॉड कौन है?
Shiv. Lord Shiv, yeah.
Om Namah Shivaya. Pray like that, you will get it. Best wishes.
Thank you,
That's
sir. Sure.
that's good. Please tell me about yourself. Yeah. Yeah.
Sir, I
So
really thank you for this. It was all from your guidance. I cracked it.
yeah,
Thank
no,
you so much.
no, but here there are two things. One, I am guiding you, that's true, but the sharpness was there in you already, the willingness to learn, the willingness to contribute, the lack of fear. These things cannot be built by me within 1 week. It is impossible. But if some of you come with, like, for example, Vinish can make it up, Rajeshwar can make it up, provided they try to take some extra pains. But what happens is majority of children, especially engineering college students, they don't get time to prepare and they don't prepare. And that is why they are not able to get selected. Anyhow, you did a very good job, Aman Kumar. Thanks for coming immediately after getting the results. And I thank you so much for this. Best wishes. हमारा वजह से कल सुबह उठ के एक अच्छा से रसगुल्ला खाओ, रसगुल्ला और संदेश.
Right, right. Thank you so much.
Please eat and enjoy. Thank
Yeah,
you.
sir. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much, sir.
Thank you so much. Best wishes. God bless you.
Thank you.
But this is nothing.
And
This is only the beginning of your career. You should not stop with that. You should join JAIIB, CAIIB, then
Right,
try
sir.
to get promoted, try for other banks, PO exams. I think after a few months, they will come out with, but you will not be eligible in Federal Bank for PO. But for other banks, IBPS PO, SBI PO, you can apply, sharpen your mathematical reasoning and English skills so that you can be assured of jobs in State Bank also. Like that, you can try. Best
So
wishes.
for that, I need to give government exam, no?
You have, no. IBPS means there is a separate exam board conducting it. IBPS board. Another thing is
Right.
SBI, separate exams, and the syllabus is slightly tougher. Syllabus is very tough. First, there will be a preliminary examination consisting of maths, reasoning, and English. And after that, there will be a main examination, tough level, consisting of reasoning, maths, English, then computer knowledge, then current affairs, general knowledge, banking knowledge, everything included. And then one descriptive paper also. You must write one essay writing. You must do one letter writing also. And the competition is very high. For every one
Right.
post, they will call minimum 4 people for interview.
Sir, actually, I want to work in private sector bank only because the services which private sector bank gives to the customers is far better than public sector bank. So if I ask you that how I can improve to get promotion in federal bank, what would you suggest?
I will suggest you study JAIIB, CAIIB, and before going for the interview, please approach me. If I am there, I will.
Yeah, sure, sir, sure, sir.
Yeah.
And sir, actually, before joining, there was a pre-placement talk. In that pre-placement talk, they have told me that after 2 years, you can sit for the promotion interview. Yeah.
Promotion exam. For that, there is a separate books are
Yes,
there.
sir. Yes, sir.
You can read
Okay.
and then write. Best wishes.
Yeah. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye, Aman Kumar. Thank you. Now, Rajeshwar, you came for one purpose today, but you got a much valuable information from Mr. Aman Kumar and Mr. Vinish also. Vinish, you were also lucky. You stayed over along with me.
Yes, I am so lucky. I thought of leaving this, but
but one important thing to be told is, while I prepare you for reasoning, I prepare you for current affairs and all that, There, what is required is only basic questions about you, about your ability. That is what is tested. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
try to do that better. Best wishes. Thank you so much. So tomorrow, from tomorrow, there may not be 8 o'clock classes unless you need it. Rajeshwar, will you be coming for class tomorrow?
Oh, no, sir. I think I should prepare first for 1 or 2 days, then I'll come. Sir, if I have any doubt, then where
You
can I
can
ask
message.
that?
You can message. WhatsApp.
WhatsApp?
WhatsApp में message
Okay, sir.
करना. Very good.
Okay, sir. I'll do that.
Or you can also post in our paid group itself. And if some other candidate like this Aman Kumar is there, they will clarify your doubt also.
Okay, sir. I'll do that.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
So there is
Thank you, sir.
there is no class from tomorrow at 8 o'clock for banking unless some more new students join and they ask for it. Otherwise, you people prepare, study and take your mock interviews. Okay.
Sure.
Okay, sir.
Best
Okay.
wishes. God bless
Thank you,
you.
sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.